If you're getting ready to sell your home in Walnut Creek, there's one thing that determines whether your home's going to sell fast for top dollar or buyers are just going to walk and buy your home. And it's not your price, it's not your agent, it's how you prepare your home before it even hits the market. Hey, I'm Melvin, and I help homeowners right here in Walnut Creek sell their homes for more with a proven step-by-step system. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what that system looks like so you can use it too. Here's the problem. Many sellers think that preparing their home means a quick vacuum and a fresh coat of paint. Today's buyers are selective as ever. They're scrolling through dozens of listings before even stepping into a home, and they're making snap judgments about those listings within seconds. If your home's not prepared the right way, it doesn't matter how great the bones are. Buyers will scroll right past it, and even worse, they'll lowball it because it needs work. Good news, you don't need a massive renovation, you just need a plan, and that's what I'm going to give you today. The first step is decluttering, and I don't mean tidying up, I mean walking through each room and creating a space that a buyer could picture themselves living in. Walk through each room and ask, does this help a buyer imagine their lives here? Or does this simply remind them that this is my house? Family photos, personal items, oversized furniture all need to go into storage. This isn't about making your home feel empty. It's about making your home feel spacious, natural, and move-in ready. Buyers pay more for homes that feel easy to say yes to. I put together a full cleaning, decluttering, and staging checklists. I'll link that below so you can use it room to room in your Walnut Creek home. Step 2 is repairs, and this is where buyers make the most expensive mistakes in both directions. Some sellers fix everything, even things that buyers would never notice, and burn through their budget. Others fix nothing, and buyers use every visible flaw as leverage to negotiate the price down. The right approach is strategic. Fix the things that buyers will notice and will affect how the house shows. These are things like a leaky faucet, cracks in the wall, cracks in a faceplate, worn caulk, squeaky door, or chipped paint. These are inexpensive and buyers notice them right away. But bigger decisions like redoing the roof or remodeling the kitchen or leaving the kitchen as is and pricing accordingly, these need real numbers behind them, not just guesswork. I wrote a full breakdown on this exact same question. Should you do the repairs or sell as is, and what nets you the most? The numbers apply directly whether you're in Walnut Creek or one of the surrounding cities. I'll link it below. It could save you thousands. Now, decluttering and repairs matter, but neither one is the step that determines your final price. There's a step coming that some Walnut Creek sellers either totally miss or get backwards. And it's the one that has the single biggest impact on what buyers are willing to pay. I'm going to show you what it is and how to get it right in just a minute. Step number 3 is a deep clean, and I mean deep. Not a weekend clean, but a move-out clean, even if you're going to be still living there. Buyers associate cleanliness with how well a home has been maintained. A spotless home signals that the home has been taken care of. A home with dusty baseboards or streaky windows or a musty garage signals exactly the opposite, even if it's structurally in perfect condition. Focus on kitchens and bathrooms first. These are the rooms that most buyers scrutinize the most. Then windows, floors, and any lingering odor from pets. Step 4, and this one's huge, it's your curb appeal. Buyers form an opinion about your home even before they step through the front door. Often that opinion comes from the listing photos. Fresh mulch, trimmed hedges, pressure washed driveway, fresh paint can change a buyer's perspective about your home. In a market like Walnut Creek, where buyers have options, first impressions can make the difference between a showing or someone just scrolling by your home online. Step number 5 is staging, and this is where you package everything up to really increase the perceived value of your home. Staging isn't about spending a fortune on buying new furniture. It's about arranging what you have or bringing in pieces that highlight your home's strongest features. Natural lighting, room flow, and functional space. I know the staging may feel optional, so I've done an entire video that will break down whether you should stage your home before selling or not. I'll link it below so you can decide what's right for your situation. I've walked Walnut Creek sellers through the exact scenario, and the results speak for themselves. Homes that follow this process sell for more and sell faster than homes that skip it. It's not luck, it's preparation meeting the right market synergy. So what's next? Walk through your home using these 5 steps. Decluttering, repair strategically, deep clean, reboot your curb appeal, and stage. Use the checklist I'll link below to keep yourself on track. And if you're not sure exactly where to start or need a second pair of eyes just before you list, that's exactly what I'm here for. If you're thinking about selling your Walnut Creek home, go to our home evaluation site to stay updated about what your home's worth. You can also call me directly with any questions. I'm here to help you sell your home fast and for top dollar. Have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye now.